10,000 feet beneath the Pacific Ocean, in crushing darkness, a tiny pink fish drifts just above the seafloor. It has no business being alive. The pressure down here would collapse your lungs in seconds. There's no light, almost no food. The cold is absolute. But this fish is smiling, not metaphorically. Its round pink face, oversized blue eyes, and upturned mouth give it the appearance of pure contentment in one of Earth's most hostile environments. Meet Careproctus colliculi, the bumpy snailfish. Discovered in 2019 by MBARI's remotely operated vehicle, Doc Ricketts, at Monterey Canyon, 62 miles off California's coast, formally named in August 2025. It's just 3.6 inches long, bubblegum pink, covered in soft, fleshy bumps, especially around its round head. Scientists called it pretty adorable. But adorable is hiding something extraordinary. This tiny fish has solved problems that have defeated every other vertebrate on Earth. At 3,268 meters depth, the water pressure reaches 327 times that of the surface. That's more than 4,700 pounds per square inch, pressing on every cell in the fish's body. Pressure at this level does something specific and devastating. It forces proteins to unfold. When proteins lose their shape, they stop working entirely. Enzymes fail, cells collapse, death follows quickly. The bumpy snailfish solved this with a molecule called TMAO, trimethylamine N-oxide. Its body floods cells with TMAO, which physically surrounds proteins and locks their shape under pressure. As depth increases, TMAO concentration increases. Scientists have found TMAO levels rise linearly with depth across all snailfish, a molecular dial fine-tuned over millions of years. TMAO has a side effect. It's the same compound that makes fish smell like fish. The bumpy snailfish is essentially marinating itself to survive. But TMAO isn't its only weapon. CT scans revealed something hidden inside its innocent face: pharyngeal jaws. A second set of jaws positioned deep in its throat, built for crushing hard-shelled prey. Amphipods, crustaceans, small invertebrates, all crushed by teeth the surface world can't see. That smile is concealing a hidden crushing mechanism. Meanwhile, it navigates total darkness by abandoning vision entirely, sensing vibrations through its lateral line system and tracking prey by smell and taste alone. Its large eyes gather whatever faint biological light exists at depth, but vision is no longer its primary tool. Here's what makes the bumpy snailfish remarkable beyond its survival toolkit. The 2019 encounter with the ROV Doc Ricketts remains the only confirmed sighting on record. One individual, one adult female, 3.6 inches long. Yet a 2009 dive off Oregon may have captured the same species on video, previously misidentified as a different fish entirely. Scientists are now re-examining decades of deep-sea footage with new eyes. An entire species confirmed from a single specimen. Most of what we know about where it lives, how many exist, and how far it ranges remains completely unknown. The deep ocean covers 50% of Earth's surface. It's our planet's largest habitat, yet it remains more poorly mapped than the surface of Mars. The bumpy snailfish exists in scientific literature because a camera happened to be rolling in the right place at 10,000 feet. Without that single ROV pass, Careproctus colliculi would remain entirely unknown. Scientists studying TMAO now explore its applications in medicine, preserving proteins under extreme conditions, potential organ preservation, stabilizing biological samples. The molecular solution this tiny fish evolved over millions of years may have direct medical applications. Down in the crushing dark, a 3-inch pink fish drifts above the seafloor, smiling, crushing prey with its hidden jaws, stabilizing its proteins with molecules that smell like the sea. It has no idea it was just discovered. It was down here, long before we were looking.